Traditional plastering, priming, and painting processes often consume time, resources, and energy. Choose Novoplast, a revolutionary, cement-free colored plaster solution that integrates all three processes into one seamless application. With its innovative formulation, Novoplast saves time, reduces costs, and delivers a high-quality colored plaster finish. Redefining wall aesthetics. Novoplast sets itself apart with a sustainable edge. Its ambient air curing technology eliminates the need for water at any stage, ensuring a low carbon footprint while promoting greener building practices. By conserving resources and simplifying wall finishing, Novoplast not only enhances efficiency but also supports eco-conscious construction. Transform your spaces with Novoplast, where innovation meets sustainability. Visit novota.in/Novoplast.